Yeah, dear students, I would like to welcome you to this mini lecture, and I'm Wansundhe, a master's student at Aga Khan University in Dar es Salaam. The topic for presentation is manufacture of soap, making of soap. I will begin with the definition of soap. Soap is a water-soluble sodium or potassium salt of a long-chain carboxylic acid obtained by boiling fats or oils with a concentrated solution of sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. The meaning of this is that soap, first of all, is soluble in water, and it is a carboxylic salt. But the carboxylic salt is of a long-chain carbon atoms, and that one has some functional importance. We look at the components of a soap molecule. A soap molecule has got two important parts which are responsible for its actions. The first part is the alkyl group, and the second part is the carboxylate group. Those are the two parts of a soap molecule that are responsible for its cleaning action. Then we look at the alkyl group. The alkyl group is a long chain carbon group which is the hydrophobic part of the molecule and is responsible for dissolving the dirt. The alkyl group is water insoluble, and because water insoluble and fat soluble, it tends to dissolve the fats or the dirt, because we have a rule that like dissolves like. Then the second group on a soap molecule is the carboxylate group. This is the hydrophilic part which dissolves in water. It is the part that makes soap to dissolve in water. We now have a caption here of three ladies washing fabric and utensils. The implication of this is that washing is possible because soap can dissolve dirt and soap can dissolve in water. So it has those two properties, and that is why it is possible for soap to act as a cleaning agent. We look at manufacture of soap from vegetable oils, and the process of making soap is called saponification. So saponification is the process by which soap is manufactured from vegetable oils. We look at the procedure, how exactly you make soap. There are basically three steps that are supposed to be followed, one after the other. The first one is the oil is converted to the sodium salt or soap by boiling it with excess concentrated sodium hydroxide solution with stirring for a long time until the oil dissolves. So what we imply here is that we boil oil, and on it we add concentrated sodium hydroxide solution, and that boiling will hydrolyze or will break down the oil. They will break down the oil molecules into salts, and the salts that are formed are the soap particles that we get in the mixture. Procedure 2, number 2, the concentrated sodium chloride solution is added to the mixture to precipitate the soap, which then floats on the surface of the mixture. So when you add sodium chloride solution to a mixture having dissolved soap, precipitation will take place because of a concept we call common ion effect. There will be a high concentration of sodium ions which will precipitate out the soap. After soap has precipitated out, we now move to the third step in our procedure, where dyes or perfumes or bleaching agents are added to the soap to modify its properties. Dear students, that one marks the end of our mini lecture.